In this video, we are going to Minneapolis to attend a MPCA training for wastewater operators and collection system operators. The clips I will show you are from the 2.5-day event. After the keynote presentation by the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency Commissioner, we break out into several tracks depending on your interests. I need 32 hours training every 3 years for my Class A wastewater, 24 hours for my Class B water operator's licenses and 9 hours for my service provider license.
Getting into this question,
this is a primary manufacturers involved. It was film forming foam or firefighting foam. Major applications started in the early 70s, adopted by DoD, also adopted by FAA for airports. So that use started in the early 70s. By the mid 70s, the Food and Drug Administration approved it for use in food packaging. So that's where you saw it. The manufacturers did evaluate human health and exposure to mostly workers. Up until about 2002 timeframe, the situation in
The last half day of the seminar was all about the problem of PFAS in the environment. PFAS is not one product, it's in all types of products to make them work better, like the coating in the popcorn bag you microwave, or the foam firefighters use to put out fires. This product does not break down in the soil and is very harmful to humans. It is very expensive to remove from wastewater, and like radioactive waste, what do you do with it? Stand by, we are going to hear more of this. Most states are making rules and laws to ban and restrict its use.